The Bliss technique that I teach is called Samadhi. That's its real name, Samadhi. But I'm American, and so I just call it the Bliss technique because that's sort of what it is to me. If you haven't seen the other videos on my channel, please take the time to watch them and practice and learn the Bliss technique. It's very easy. Samadhi is the ecstatic state of union with the divine, or union with God, union with the source of your life. And a lot of people talk about it and write about it, but I haven't seen anybody teaching it. So maybe they don't know how to do it, but it's pretty simple. It's pretty easy. It has to do with you loving upwardly from your heart all the way up and out the top of your head, and your tongue is pressed up against the back of your top teeth. Your eyes are rolling up, and you're smiling and loving up, just loving God or the source or the divine, just loving. And to the degree that your chakras are open, that's how high you can get. So it is very possible to have an ecstatic connection to God by practicing this technique. All of the videos that I'm putting up are about helping you to have your chakras in good shape and open and receptive, and also transmitting your love such that your samadhi can be very, very high. Practicing the Bliss technique also opens the channel upwardly. But you need to have good chakras, you know. You need to eat well and avoid a lot of toxins, and some use of drugs and alcohol and tobacco sort of shut down the centers, you know, so you want to be aware of that. And then you want to love more, so your heart is open, and create more, you know, and visualize, and then perhaps reading spiritual books and meditating awakens all the chakras, such that when you do the Bliss technique or Samadhi, you get very, very high, and you go straight up to the heart of God. It is a very life-enhancing experience to be able to connect to your Creator. And it's not hard to do. Simply desire to connect to your Creator. Desire it. And then love up. Put a big smile on your face, tongue kind of going up, eyes sort of looking up, intention going up, and just love up. And you will be well on your way to the state of Samadhi. All of the practices that I'm putting out here in these videos will help you to accelerate your process, but practicing is the best thing you can do. Loving up.